In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a LinkedIn company page. We'll go through the process from the LinkedIn home feed all the way to setting up the basic details for your business page. If you want your company to have a professional presence on LinkedIn, this is a great place to start. First, begin on the LinkedIn feed. Make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account before you start, because the company page setup options are available from inside your account. Once you're on the main feed, look toward the top area of the page where LinkedIn's main navigation options appear. From there, click on the For Business option. This opens the business-related tools and features LinkedIn offers. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's simply the area where LinkedIn keeps options for company tools, services, and page creation. After opening that menu, click on Create a Company Page. This will take you to the page setup area where LinkedIn asks what type of page you want to build. This is an important step because LinkedIn offers different page types depending on what you're creating. Next, select Company. This option is typically the right choice if you're building a page for a standard business or brand. Choosing the correct page type helps make sure the setup matches the kind of organization you want to represent. Once you've selected Company, the final step is to fill in your business details. Take your time here because this information becomes the foundation of your company's LinkedIn presence. You'll want to enter your company name and any other required information carefully and consistently. Make sure the details match your branding and how your business appears on other platforms. That consistency helps your page look more professional and makes it easier for people to recognize your company. As you complete the form, double-check spelling, formatting, and overall accuracy before moving forward. A clean, polished company page starts with strong setup details. Even small mistakes in this stage can make your page feel less credible, so it's worth reviewing everything once before submitting. And that's it. You've now gone through the core process for creating a LinkedIn company page, starting from the feed, opening the business menu, selecting the page creation option, choosing company, email, and filling in your business details. Once your information is in place, you'll be ready to continue building out your page and establishing your company's presence on LinkedIn.